that one of the chemistry professors, like a very unfortunate scenario, what he has done, he has been accused of plagiarizing 70 articles. Now you see, in the university you are a professor, it's a very bad scenario. He's a chemistry professor, he has been accused of plagiarizing more than 70 articles. Okay. Now obviously, I should not tell you the name of the university, although we are aware about. Executive council of that university banned that chemistry professor who has been accused for the plagiarism, and that he has created his papers out of that plagiarism, right. So they have the institute has taken action against that particular professor, and that was, I just give you the period, that is 2004 to 2007, that was that particular event happened. Now he has been banned now for a from the research guidance. He cannot guide students, and he cannot also do work in the examination work also, because